Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hi to my new subscribers. I'm glad you're here. For today's video, I'm going to review this beautiful and new pens of Micron. So let's open it up. Although I used it before, I rarely use all three pens together. So I have 0.5, 0.3, and 0.1. And I'm going to use my Sharpie marker and I'm just going to trace around my left hand before I try this set of pens. Then after that, I'm going to use the 0.5 to make some patterns to the outline hand. And it's really gonna drawing like random lines here, like Zen doodle art. And I'm just really drawing from my imagination right now. But you can design or use your own elements. And I'm using the 0.5. And I can tell that the lines are pretty dark and the weight is great, especially for line art. And I love the flow of the ink and it's comfortable to hold. It doesn't slip to the hand. Yes, there are pens that are slippery, but this one is, I highly recommend it since it's waterproof and fade resistant. And if you are working on artwork that, for example, you want to sell or you wanted to keep it for a long time, that will last many years or decades, I really recommend using this type of pens or any Archibald ink since it's waterproof and fade resistant. It does definitely dry up quickly, so I could say that I will purchase one of this product or more of this product in the future. I tend to draw sometimes with pens and I do broke them once in a while, especially the tip. I think that's one of the weak spot for Micron Pens and other brand too. After a lot of drawings or doodling, I can tell that sometimes they tend to curl or bend from the tip, so the precision of lines are sometimes different. But I hope that should not stop you from creating more drawings, or it means that you need more supply, I should say. Depending on the type of paper you're using, affect the texture on the tooth or the quality of the paper while you are inking or drawing. So the line quality of the size is great for details, I think, but you can do it for everyday sketching or doodling. But I prefer the 0.5 if you want to have more darker and heavier weight of line. Having a smaller size of tip for finishing lines and final touching is really great too for this type of pens. I highly recommend using Bristol paper or really smooth paper so you will able to judge how good your pen is. So it kind of like affect the texture of paper that you're using and a particular pen also. So if you want, for example, cleaner lines, it is better to use smoother paper than, for example, cold press or grain. Have you tried Micron Pen before? So now let's go to 0.3 lines. These are a little bit smaller, but you can hardly see the difference. For the last one, it is the 0.1. This is definitely the smallest size among the three inside of the set. And if you are detailed or just like drawing with fine lines, or you want to get that very teeny tiny detail in your line art or any drawing like mixed media or illustrations, lettering, and so on. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and thank you so much for doodling and drawing with me today. I definitely want to try another hand to make this hand surely a very relaxing way to beat the boredom. So keep on creating, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.